Hello everyone. Storing excess grocery can be very challenging if we are staying in a rented flat or we have smaller kitchens. So today we are going to see how you can make a small pantry in your house and maintain it. So first let us see two examples of a smaller space which was converted into a pantry to keep excess grocery items. This is a small cupboard that was available to keep excess grocery items. If you notice, this has a decent height and space available but has not been used to its maximum capacity. So as you can see, we created a small pantry here. We have made use of small trolleys with layers to make maximum utilization of the space and create a small decent pantry for the family of 3. There was a small space available underneath this platform. As you can see, it has a decent height and space available. So here we decided to use these 3-layered 2 trolleys to make a small pantry. The advantage of this trolleys is that it has wheels and it can be slide inside the space. So it is easy to remove out and put back. So this is how we created a decent size pantry for a family of 6. So tip number 1 is buy grocery only for month or 2. Yes, in olden times or even our own parents, we see that used to store grocery for they used to buy grocery for 6 months or a year and they used to store it in their house. But today in the times that we are living, I don't think so we need to store so much of grocery. We can order grocery just at a click of a button and it is easily accessible. The rule that I follow in my house is that I buy grocery only for a month or so, and what I do is that I know that how much grocery do I need for that particular month, since I think we all would know that how much grocery we need for a month. So I buy a kg or half kg extra or a packet of grocery items accordingly extra than the required grocery for the month, and I keep that as a backup in my pantry. So the second thing is maintain a list. Yes, So what I usually do is, like, when I use a packet or any grocery item from my pantry, I immediately write it down and I make it a point that I order and replace that in my pantry so that I never run out of grocery. So to maintain a list, what I have done is I have used a magnetic whiteboard. I have put it on my refrigerator and I keep on writing the things that I need to purchase, so that I know by end of the day or wherever I'm going out what things I need, and I need to replace them in my pantry, and I buy them accordingly. The third tip is clean your pantry at least once in a month. Yes, what I usually do is I clean my pantry a day before I am supposed to go to purchase my grocery. So this way I know what are the things that I need and I can make a list accordingly, and also I get time to declutter my pantry. There may be certain items that have been expired which I can just throw it away and clean my pantry. So what are the advantages? Advantage are you will never run out of grocery items. There will be less wastage. You will save a lot of time and energy, and most important, money. So in today's video, we saw how we can make a small pantry and maintain it. So friends, if you have liked my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and click on the like button. Thank you very much. Bye.